Day 10 of 84. Full protocol, upper cross focus. This is foundation phase, week 2, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Suboccipital release, 2 by 60s. Try shifting the ball slightly left and right of center to target each side independently. Upper trap ball release, 2 by 60s per side. Add slow shoulder shrugs while the ball is pinned. Pec Minor Ball Release, 2 by 60s per side. Try the release lying on the floor with the ball under you for more pressure, only if the wall version feels too light. Lengthen, 6 minutes, 4 moves. Doorway chest stretch, 2 by 30s at 2 angles, 90 degrees and 135 degrees. Breathe into each position. Scalene Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Anchor the shoulder, breathe into the stretch side. Upper trap stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Eyes closed. Focus on the sensation and your breath. Median nerve glide, 2 by 10 per side. If comfortable, increase the wrist extension slightly. Activate, 8 minutes, 4 moves. Chin tucks, 2 by 12. Consistent quality. Exhale to tuck. Scapular Retractions, 2 by 12. Prone, try a 5s hold at peak contraction. Wall Angels, 2 by 10. 3s up, 3s down tempo. Chin tucks with head lift, 2 by 8. Same as day 8. If too easy, increase hold to 8s. Integrate, 5 minutes. 2 moves. Cat-cow, 2 by 8 reps. 5-second breath cycles. Bear crawl hold, 2 by 25s. Increase duration. Steady nasal breathing. Posture checkpoint. Notice your posture when driving or riding in a car. Adjust the headrest so it contacts the back of your head. Use this as a cue to sit tall and keep your head back. That's day 10 done, 74 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.